these things look like.
Superstars in the garage, all them horses, it's like a don't you try on it, I got like 3 Porsches, fill them cheap Porsches, spitting no flash, spitting no flash.
What's up, guys? It's Spumatic back at it with another video. In this one, I'm getting some different wheels for the GTR, changing my setup. It's semi-new. I had the drag setup in the back, which was an NT05 on an 18-inch rim for more traction, lighter weight wheel. So I got the matching set for the front. And just gonna change up the look. I love the stock 20s. I was on the newer style rim for the GTR on 20-inch with the oversized tires, but now I'm switching it up and doing the 18 for more traction, more performance reasons, and just switch it up, So leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the 18s. They ain't no Forgiatos, but at Forgiatos can't afford these. Yeah, 4Gs can't afford these. I'm not gonna lie. It costs a pretty penny. So anyway, I'm more into the speed than the looks anyway. So let's see how this works. These things look like. Looking good. So these will be the wheels for the front. These are the ones I have on the rear. They're a little dirty, but I'm just gonna clean them up. Wheels for the GTR 18s, they match the rear set I have. They do clear the brakes. Oh, first off, they're 18 by 9.5 with an ET of 18. If you can see in there, like a part of the brake bracket is touching the inside of the wheel. So I'm gonna have to get that. I'm gonna have to get that grinded down. It looks pretty good. The wheel does not stick out of the fender that much as I thought it would. So this is the top of the fender, and this is the outside of the wheel. So I was worried about, but it looks like it's more of a flush look to it. So it's going to look a little different when I have the tire mounted on. I'm going with a 275/45/18 tire, and nothing crazy. The back is going to have a drag radial. In the front, just a sport tire. Bridged, probably going with the Bridgestone, but just a sport tire on the front. So that's the stock size wheel, and these are the 18s. So you can see the size difference, and the weight is noticeable. These things are so light. I mean, they don't have a tire on them now, but they're super light compared to the 20s. I could already feel the difference. So here is the fender and the wheel, and it's only slightly compressed. Tube. I just ordered these off of Amazon. Some LED lights for my side marker, front side markers. I got the clear lenses on here, and these things are super bright, man. They're super bright. I'm digging it. A little side marker action, you know what I mean? A little something. And this is what I ordered. These were $7.99 off of Amazon, and they came with a bunch here. LED lights. For the GTR side marker, it's bulb size 194. If you guys need to know, 194. And they're pretty bright.
That shit you want got you acting crazy. Damn, girl, you fine, but you acting crazy. Yeah, she doing me off from my brand new rod. Yeah, she talking shit, fucking on my heart. I can hear yours kicking in right now. Yeah, yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. I can hear yours kicking in right now. Yeah, yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. In 2012, Sasha had 2,000 cents. No lie. I was working on my music, trying to get fans. So high. That was back when JoJo Crib got rated. Thank God it got delayed, it didn't make it. Yeah. I can hear you in the coupe, cause I'm way too faded. Looking at my reflection like I know they hate it. Why you waiting? We drawing up the plans, trying to make it from these bands to a million fans. With my model chick dipping through the hills of France. With my model chick, yeah, she popping pills in France. Watch your tone on the phone, I think they listen in. Paranoid plus that loud, it's kicking in. Wish that shit you want got you acting crazy. Damn, girl, you fine, but you acting crazy. Yeah, she doing me off from my brand new rod. Yeah, she talking shit, fucking on my